In the name of Allah, Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hopefully you will be fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. Students, today the date is 26th May and the day is Wednesday. Today our topic is paragraph My Favorite Toy. It is lecture 8 and learning objective of the day is to enable the students to write the paragraph. Students, our topic is my favorite toy and you are to write about your favorite toy. Definitely you will be having different toys, but some toys are your favorite and you will write about your favorite toy. My favorite toy is teddy bear. My father gave me this gift on my birthday. Number 3, its color is white. You can write the color about your choice. I keep it with my toys. I play with it. Number 6, I take care of it. Students, we have done 6 lines of my favorite toy. Now, after learning, after understanding, you can write about your favorite toy. Keep your favorite toy in front of you and write about it. Students, now it's time to assign you the homework. Your homework task is to write about your favorite toy in given space. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz and take care.